Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Mercedes remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove this black cover here so we can gain access to the key fob battery. We do so by removing the blade out the bottom of the fob. So we slide this little black clip here over, like so, which releases the blade out of the bottom. Now we get our small flat-headed screwdriver, and just in the bottom of the fob here, we can just pop it in and press up like so, and it releases the cover. So you're getting your screwdriver and you're just popping it through that hole there, and it pushes up and the cover is released. And there is your key fob battery. So we just get our screwdriver again and we just get underneath it and we just release it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2025, like this one. We simply get our new key fob battery and we just place it into the housing, like so, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get our cover and pop it in place, make sure it all clicks, and now it's time just to put the key fob blade back in. And there you go, it's all done.